Hey everyone, we're going to get straight into the video because again my son is holding the camera and he's a bit unsteady, and also he's got the snivels. So if you hear heavy breathing and sniveling, then that would be him. Bad cameraman. Anyway, so it is the July edition and unboxing of Curleebox. As you guys can see, I haven't opened it yet. I have no idea what's inside. You've got here first of all the card. Umberto Giannini, whoever that is. Hey Curlies, have 30% off your products at whatever. So you've got the code there. So presumably these are going to be the products inside. So you can use a code to get some money off. I'll do that so you can see because of the light. Voila. So let's start off with the unboxing. Ooh, pretty in pink, pretty in pink. So this is the card. Okay, so curly curls moisture, these are the items in there. They're all new, so it says. And what I've found with the Curleebox is that they tend to bring, especially in the UK, they tend to bring a lot of new products, some of which aren't yet available in the UK. And here you have got the card with the items, and this is a range of different items that you can use for curly hair. These ones are new. So we're just going to go into the box and then we can start. So first item is More Than Moisture. So this one is the Twirling and Styling Defining Cream for naturally curly and super curly hair. And just to open it so you see on the inside, I'm going to have a little bit of a sniff. There's not really a strong smell actually. In fact, it's very, very mild, the smell. So if you are into items which aren't, don't have a strong scent, then you will be very happy with this. It's got argan oil in there, a murumuru butter, which I do use, which is very, very expensive, by the way, but it's very good for hair. It's also got organic coconut oil as well. So lots of goodie and shea butter as well inside. So very, very good. Lots of moisture in there. But clearly I can see from it, the cream itself, this one is actually quite light. It won't be too thickening as well. So you won't have that kind of greasy feeling. I tend to use a lot of these products on my daughter's hair, and her hair, she's mixed race and she doesn't like greasy stuff. So that would be perfect. And the actual size for this is 200 ml. And the next item, full size of course, is organic coconut oil and shea butter. This one is the curl moisture, and this is the sulfate free curl shampoo, so which is really good. So that's that. And you have got I'm not sure the size for this one. I'll during editing I'll let you know. I'm trying to look here and I cannot find the size here. It's probably about 200 ml, but yeah, I'll let you guys know. Ooh, yeah, 250 ml it says. 250 ml, and that's that. Item number 3 is the moisture recovery curl conditioner. So again, let's see if we've got shea butter and argan oil on the inside, and there you have it. So that one again, 250 ml. This will be the full size. I will let you guys know the total value of the items at the end of the video, so you see for yourself. And this is scrunching gel. So you can see pink gel here, and it's 200 ml, and it's for scrunch, drying all types of curls, tames frizz, adds shine and defines. Very, very useful, very, very handy to have this actually. So yeah, so these are all the items inside. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Normally I thought they normally have about 5 items, but these are full size. So voila, this is it. And of course you have got, don't forget, the actual voucher for you to use to get a reduction. But there's the card with all the items, and this is the unboxing. So I've never heard of this brand before, which is why I do like Curleebox as well, because they tend to bring in new brands and you can try them all out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and the fact that we've gone straight into it. And of course, appreciation must go to the lady who gave me the idea, because this is such a super easy way of doing things. You don't need to see my face because my face is looking like crap right now. And her name is Missy B London. So thank you very much. So thank you everyone. That's it. And I can't close it out. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget that there is a giveaway running at the moment until next week. So do find my last video, and I'll try and put the link in the description bar, so you can then have a look for yourself. And of course, yeah, so a chance for something for free. Bye people. Bye 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 bye.